Tech Impact.
How to create poll question on WhatsApp. First, open your App Store, Play Store and search for WhatsApp.
Get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything.
Now
you
make
know that
sure
you can
WhatsApp
get.
is updated.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is
Now choose any chat inbox.
I use them all to push me
Now
to my
click
best.
this icon.
So treat the worst of times just like a test.
Now tap on the
If
poll
only I
option.
could go back in time, I tell myself that everything will end up
Now
alright.
create
Just
any
push
poll
yourself,
questions
test
you
yourself,
want.
Figure out what you like and find your limits. Don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few
Now
friends
send
with
it.
intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little
You can vote
time,
yourself.
just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Check members who have
They
voted.
wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure
Thank you
it
for
out.
watching. Please subscribe.
Make it look like I'm losing.